Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best glues for automotive plastic on Amazon. If your car's siding or spoiler starts to crack, break loose, and almost slide away, you want to use the best adhesive to hold the pieces in place. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gorilla Super Glue Gel. Doesn't Gorilla Glue just work on everything? The Gorilla Gel formula dries clear and is easy to sand and paint. You can use this glue on several materials in your car such as rubber, plastic, leather, and metal. The gel formula makes this glue thicker and perfect for use on vertical surfaces. It also limits the number of runs you'll have, so it'll be a cleaner application. It sets up incredibly fast, in less than a minute. The clear formula makes it suitable for use on all shades of plastic. What we like about it: strong adhesive, fast drying, clear finish, easy to use. What we don't like about it: strong odor, not ideal for certain materials, expensive. Number 2. JB Weld Plastic Adhesive and Gap Filler. This glue is black and blends best with black plastics. If you are the owner of a black vehicle or one with black car parts, this 2-part urethane adhesive system is the best choice for you. To avoid losing plastic automotive pieces, you need a permanent and hard bond. The JB Weld plastic adhesive has a tensile strength of 3770 psi. It is fast-acting and, once applied, will set in 15 to 30 minutes. With JB Weld, you can trust that your plastic car parts will be ready sooner than many other adhesives. You do not have to worry about slowing down or getting stuck waiting for your adhesive to set. Once it's set. However, this formula requires mixing, and it can be challenging to get the mix right. Also, keep in mind that the mix is wrong, it won't set right. What we like about it: strong adhesive, gap filler, quick drying, easy to use. What we don't like about it: requires surface preparation, limited working time, potentially hazardous, not ideal for all materials. Number 3. Sugru Moldable Glue. The glue comes in different color options and bonds to glass, metal, wood, rubber, and most plastics, while being resistant to high temperatures and water. The glue is a multi-purpose, multi-surface moldable glue, great for both flexible materials and plastic. Sugru is different from other plastic adhesives as it feels soft and pliable. You can hand shape it and mold its thickness when necessary. Owners can stick it where the plastic is starting to come off of the car to hold pieces in place. Once you begin to shape it, you have about 30 minutes to smooth it, reposition, and fully apply it. After application, the moldable glue will harden to a tough, shock-resistant silicone rubber. What we like about it: moldable, versatile, durable, easy to use. What we don't like about it: slow drying, limited quantity, limited color options. Number 4. Loctite Plastics Bonding System. Loctite Plastics is a 2-piece bonding system that requires no mixing, saving you time and money. The value of this 2-for-1 adhesive is long-lasting and guarantees the repair of any plastic. Car owners can rejoice as the Loctite Plastics bonding system is neat, quick, and easy to use. It can repair plastics like ABS, acrylic, melamine, polypropylene, and PVC, plus many others. Loctite comes with a surface activator solution that neutralizes materials. The adhesive is only 2 grams and can work in less than a minute. Repair your vehicle's plastic automotive parts with less mess, speed, and high value. What we like about it: specifically designed for plastic, quick drying, easy to use, strong and durable. What we don't like about it: small quantity, limited application, strong odor. Number 5. Permatex Permapoxy Plastic Weld. If you need an adhesive with more strength, then try the Permapoxy Black Plastic Welder, Permatex. It works on most plastics and is set in about 5 minutes. It takes 24 hours for it to fully cure. To use it, you'll need to mix the 2 included ingredients together and then apply it to the plastic you want to bond. What we like about it: strong and durable bond, versatile, heat resistant. What we don't like about it: small quantity, That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.